This is Carl, Aqua Teen Hunger Force, and this is my stone cold lock of the century. Or the week. Ray Rice punched his wife, and now he's going to be punching a time clock at the cement factory. Then Adrian Peterson found out exactly how many licks it takes to get to the center of a Texas family courthouse. And now, yet again, another abuse scandal has rocked the NFL. The Atlanta Falcons were caught on national TV delivering a hot, fresh beatdown on the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Now, unlike the Ray Rice thing, I actually believe no one saw tape on this, because everyone cut the tube off when it was 42-0 at halftime. Now, Bucks, take a deep breath, because all your problems can be easily fixed. Just get rid of your quarterback and find a new running back and, maybe pick up a few wideouts, shore up your O-line a little, fire your coordinators, buy out Lovey, get Chucky back, and then replace the entire rest of your team and move it to LA. That's all you gotta do. If I've learned anything from my many court-mandated group rehabilitations, it's that you gotta hit rock bottom before you can turn this thing around. So I got a simple 12-step program you can follow to beat Pittsburgh this week. Step 1, soak all them terrible towels in chloroform. Take the crowd out of the game. Step 2, slash the tires on all of Big Ben's SUVs so he's got to ride his motorcycle to the game. Step 3, replace the turf at Heinz Field with sticky, icky ganja weed. And watch as the Steeler backfield, the Doobie Brothers, Bell, and the happy name Blunt both rack up multiple penalties for holding. Get it, holding? That's a pot joke. All right, step 4, break Antonio Brown's legs. That's the only way he can be stopped. Step 5, and this one's really important, stop being terrible. You're a bad team. Step 6 through 12, just repeat step 5. If you can somehow manage all of that, then you're still gonna lose 35-3. That's right, the Pittsburgh Steelers are Carl's stone cold lock of the century.